Hey everybody, it's Joe from Passion Unchained here in my security guard outfit. Just kidding, I'm a security guard. I'm getting on today to do a little gratitude and updates on my next DIY video, my DIY channel. But yesterday I was informed that I won the Squatch Fitness Challenge, and I lost the most fat, gained the most muscle ratio. They calculated it in some interesting, fascinating way, and I'm really grateful because years ago I was quite large. I put that in another video. I'm not going to promise to put that in the description below. I can't really be bothered, but I might put it in the description video where I talk about where I came from and how I ran every single day and got a lot of that fat lost, about 60-70 pounds of fat. And I've been wanting to get some definition on my abs. So I started really working in September, and the competition was from November through early this week. So about 2 months or so, like 1.5, 1 3/4 months. And I did it. I lost a few pounds of fat, gained a few pounds of muscle. Didn't really have much fat to lose, but I lost a good portion of it. So I'm very grateful for the recognition, because it's kind of special to me to be like, yo, for a long time I didn't think I was a fit guy, because I wasn't, and then my mind didn't catch up once I went from fat to average. My mind took a few years to catch up. Doing my laundry here, forgive me. And then once I went from average to great, I'm not elite now, but I'm great, I would say. My mind just caught up yesterday, and it only caught up because of me winning this competition, because my friends have been telling me every single time they see me, oh my god, your jawline is getting even better, oh my god, you're getting so fit. And I hear that from literally every single one of my friends says that to me. And I really should have put 2 and 2 together and be like, no, they're not just being polite, because every single one is saying that every time they see me. You know, I don't say that to every of my friends unless it's actually true. I'll compliment them, but I'll compliment on something genuine. So I guess it just takes a while. Maybe I'm my worst critic, which is a good thing, because it means that you're going to improve if you're your worst critic, although you do kind of need to be kind to yourself in the same vein. But it took winning this competition for me to feel good about myself. So I don't know if there's a moral here, if only the awareness of how you're your worst critic, and sometimes you might be doing better than you think you are. Sometimes you might be in denial too, so sometimes it might be the opposite. So try to have a good, accurate representation of who you are and where you're at. When it comes to my DIY channel, I'm really fucking excited because first video came out really well. Got some good reviews on it. I'm really happy with how it went. And everything's only going to be more and more entertaining going forward, of course. Not going backwards. Never. Never backwards, always forwards. Or round and around when it comes to my clothes. For this next video, I have a project in mind. I got some of the supplies for it. It's gonna be hilarious. It's gonna be funny as fuck. It involves chocolate, and it involves one of my body parts. That is all I will say. I will leave you to imagine what that is, and until the next video, my friends,